AIRO stock analysis. This is the right time to buy. I'm gonna answer everything around that in this brief and short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at this, it's sitting at 22.25, 15% correction. Honestly speaking, man, I'm looking to take it further up. Now, I'm not just saying this just to say it, but like unless it gives me that 6 double break or anything, I'm really not gonna buy. And let's just pull up here. You can see this looks very simple. That's because it really is. It's just the rules that need to be met. AIRO, I have like a receipt, one receipt in the analysis section in the Discord. And like ultimately all it comes down is I just want to see a little bit of power, like when we open up tomorrow, Monday. Now it depends when you're watching this video, but if this confirmation is met, then by no means I'm looking to take it further up. Okay, that's how AIRO is looking like. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll definitely keep you updated. And with this thing here, I have all my 4 eyes open. You know, I'm ready to take advantage if it comes to that. Goodbye and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.